Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take your order?
Hello! I'm Tom Varner and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've come to the Hi-Pointe Drive-In in St. Louis to check out the Good Burger Mobile from the 1997 movie Good Burger and to get some really good food. Well, in front of the Hi-Pointe Drive-In, there's this cool looking van here with some celebrities on it. The Hi-Pointe Drive-In, quality food. Look at that, they've got a rocket on their roof. And not only is there a rocket on the roof, but there's a cow on the roof too. They won the third best burger in the World Food Championships. But also Scott Elite on Yelp rated the worst restaurant ever. Hi-Pointe has been an iconic St. Louis destination ever since this spot was a little drive-in from the 1980s. Hey look, it's that guy from Fast Times at Ridgemont High. And Akeem from Coming to America. Now the soda comes from a local bottling company, Excel Brewery. They have a brewing plant, I know, in Breeze, Illinois, not too far away. It's made with pure cane sugar. Too much. Alright, my food has arrived. I ordered the Arch Deluxe burger with fries and a drink. Look at the size of that burger. Wow, it's huge. Yeah, there's cheese, bacon, tomato, 2 patties, and there's special sauce, onion, lettuce. The fries, they're seasoned French fries. They look quite tasty. There goes. That's very good. And there it is, the Good Burger Mobile from the movie Good Burger. Welcome to Good Burger. Giant hamburger on the hood. The pickle tires there, the giant arrow flashing your way to Good Burger. The cones on the back and the, well, not here, the soft drink antenna. And this is just a look inside the car here. Looks like it's hooked up with the battery and some sort of training manual right there. Well, that was the Hi-Pointe Drive-In here in St. Louis, Missouri. This was the first time I have eaten here at the Hi-Pointe. Had very good hamburgers. They're well known for their hamburgers, and excellent. They're very filling burgers, so if you come out and you eat here, it may be the only meal you eat for the day, honestly, because very tasty, very delicious. Highly recommended. There's a reason they've won so many awards and are so well known. The French fries, very good French fries. They were seasoned fries, a little bit different from normal with the seasoning. And the soda, as I tried to show you in the video, hopefully, that it's from a smaller local, when I say local, around the St. Louis metro area company that makes the soda, so it's very good. Excellent. Highly, highly recommended. And also, they've got the Good Burger Mobile from Good Burger. Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take your order? Well, this has been another adventure in TV land where we've checked out the Good Burger Mobile from the 1997 movie Good Burger and eaten at the Hi-Pointe Drive-In here in St. Louis, Missouri. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion for another video, leave a comment in the comment section. Until next time, that's a wrap.
Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take your order?